Hey.
Hello. Do you play guitar?
Not really. I'm not that good.
Oh. That's sad, because I wanted you to play me something.
Is it okay? Like it's just an okay song, not really like what you're expecting it to be.
No, I'm expecting it to be really bad, so impress me.
Oh, yo,
Don't take it
girl,
personal.
yo, chill.
I'm putting my accusation low so you can.
God, girl. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. I'm just.
Yeah, that's a really good song.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play. You like that? You like that? You didn't. Oh, you didn't like it. Okay, sorry.
Jeez. Okay, yeah. Have a good day. Bye.
Yep. Why do they always want me to sing? Oh, hey.
Hey.
Can I ask the girl in black? Is that your sister? Wait, your sisters, right?
Yes.
Why do you guys look like you're being held as hostage? Are you guys okay?
Yes.
Okay. In case you're not okay, I'm gonna call the cops, okay? Hello, police officer. The girl in black stole my heart. Yeah. Alright, bye mom.
What?
Anyways, what's the guitar in the back doing?
It's just leaning.
So you should pick it up and play it for me.
Oh, I can play you instead. Here we go. Hey, I'm gonna. Yo, Easy Meal?
Huh?
You look like Easy Meal, bro. Tayo'y Filipino!
Oh!
Hey again. I miss you, my baby.
You just called me your baby.
Yeah. Hello?
Wait, what? Is this heaven? Am I dead?
Crush, sisigaw ko to ng malakas. Handa kong antayin ka, no rush.
I'm still alive! Why the hell am I seeing angels then?
No! No, you're so cute.
Yeah! Boobies! Yeah! Boobies! Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful food!
Hi.
Wait. You can see me?
No, I cannot. You're a ghost.
No, I mean, you're not supposed to see me.
Why?
Cause only cute girls can see me though.
Yeah, Magoy. Yeah, Magoy.
No, it means you're cute, dumbass. I meant you're cute.
Oh yes, daddy.
How old are you?
Almost 20.
Oh, thank you, Lord, for this wonderful food. What's your name?
My name is Shayeste.
How to say it? How to say it?
Shayeste.
Okay, that's not an English name. What?
I'm Persian.
You're Persian?
Yeah.
Yo, that's so cool. My first time meeting one though. Okay.
What's your mother tongue?
Filipino.
Filipino. Can you speak a little bit?
Yeah, utin, maliit titi, malaki titi. How about you teach me some Persian words, especially the I love you. How to say I love you in your language?
We say Duset Daram.
What?
Duset Daram.
I love you too.
Dus-
Are you teaching me the right words, or maybe that's a bad word?
Oh no, that's not a bad word.
Okay.
It means I love you.
Okay, cool. I love you too. Come on, stop saying that. What's your body count?
5.
5?
Yeah.
My baby.
We are meant to be, but your sister is just making fun of me.
No. No, I'm not. What
She
the
loves
fuck?
you.
Okay.
Wait, I only need one girl.
No.
Yo, chill.
Can you follow my Instagram?
Yeah, sure. I can follow your Instagram.
You wanna follow me too? No, he doesn't.
Okay, Leia,
Yes?
can I shout out your Instagram?
Yeah, if you want to.
No, okay, I'm not joking, cause like.
Baby, please follow me.
Yes, I will.
Okay, thank you. I will DM you and you will DM back, okay?
Yeah, and then we're gonna start the relationship, right?
Yeah. And then we get married and get a lot of kids, okay?
Any now you